Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a pop-up on WordPress. Pop-ups are powerful tools for engaging your audience and achieving your website goals. They can significantly increase conversions, whether you're aiming for more email subscribers or promoting a new product. We'll walk through selecting the right plugin and setting up your first pop-up to start seeing results quickly. Next, let's choose the best pop-up plugin for your needs. Options like Elementor Pro, Opt-in Monster, or Bloom offer diverse features. Look for user-friendly interfaces, robust design capabilities, and advanced targeting. Once you've made your selection, simply install and activate the plugin through your WordPress dashboard to begin the setup process. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part, designing your pop-up. Personalize its look to perfectly align with your brand. Then, configure when and how it appears. You can set triggers like exit intent after a certain time on page or upon scrolling. Also, define specific targeting rules to show your pop-up only to relevant visitors on particular pages.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.